Hi, I'm Matt. If you're new to the channel, I'm trying to turn $1,000 into 1 million through a series of trades compounding at 10%. So on paper, this should take 73 trades if all of them are successful and all hit 10%. I'm currently on trade number 5, holding this now for week 6, so this is update number 6. The stock in question is Alpine Technologies. The ticker is ALPP. The first 4 trades were very successful, hit the 10%, sold, and then I bought Alpine Technologies. Was looking really good at the beginning. It hit about 8.5%, nearly hit the 10%, and then a bunch of stuff happened, stock market correction, and they did an offering around this time as well, so it's bringing the price right down. So yeah, now it sits at $3.90. It's about its support now, if you look at the charts, and resistance is about $4.50 as it sits. Like I said, there's nothing much more to say about this since the last week I did that update. No news, no catalysts. But all I'm really waiting on now is this NASDAQ listing. Hopefully it holds its ground here and gets back to, I'm looking now, I think, break even for like the short term, but just for the sake of this this challenge and stuff, if I hit the $8 mark again, I'll probably sell now. Just see how it performs with this NASDAQ listing when it happens. So again, no one knows when this is going to happen. But long term, I see this as like a $10 plus stock. It's got a lot of potential. It's a great stock. If you've seen, there's a lot of information of this on the internet. I've been over a lot of stuff over my previous videos. But yeah, it's no major new news. Like there's some people throwing around like the involvement in Tesla and stuff. I don't think it's anything major though. I think they just make like a one set of small parts for them, so it's not like directly, it's just Tesla use their bits, but it's good. And yeah, of course, it's just like a keyword, isn't it, like buzzword for the company. It's good that they have like, they're involved with Tesla in some way, and it's cool that one of the management is involved as a former Tesla employee. So it's everything about the company just sounds great. It's just it's all down to timing, really. I think if I hold it long enough, I'm not going to lose any money on this. So I'm still not that worried. It's just a shame that I've been holding it for so long. There's been a lot of opportunities in the market recently due to the corrections. There's a lot of bargains which I picked up. So yeah, nothing else to say really on the stock. Someone left in the comments actually the other day saying they couldn't, so this affects UK people using Trading 212. And the ISA account. The ISA account's great. Like it means you can trade up to 20,000. Well, you can put up to £20,000 in a year within the tax year, and any gains you have, like so, if you made $1 million off that, like it'd be totally tax free. But what I failed to mention in the previous video, like, oh yeah, by the way, if you're interested in a Trading 212 account, the trading on it's totally free as it stands, and that's what I've been using. There's a link below. If you do that, you get a free stock worth up to $100. So yeah, if you've not signed up, or even if you have signed up, the code's there which you can use and redeem the stock you might have missed out on. But yeah, so I haven't used it. I've been trading in my ISA account, but for this one in particular, it isn't available on the ISA because it's not like on the NASDAQ and stuff. So I had to buy this on the invest account, which is totally fine because when I trade 10%, I'm not going to be making over £12,000. So in the UK, you have a limit of capital gains tax of £12,300. So if you make anything under that, you don't have to declare it or anything. You can just keep it. There are no questions asked. If you make over this, you have to declare it. So 9 times out of 10, what I suggest, use your invest account because you don't have to worry about taxes and whatnot. And then if there's a stock in particular, like I know a lot of these Chinese stocks, like NEO in particular, you can't get in the ISA account. So I've invested in NEO and stuff like through the invest account, and I've not reached that threshold. I think it's the end of a tax year in the UK in a week or two, so it's the 4th of April, yeah. So yeah, so for this one in particular, you can only really buy Alpine on the Trading 212 invest account. So if that just clears up if anyone's kind of confused why they can't find this. But yeah, so yeah, that's everything. I'll give you an update in another week. I can't see much changing unless the NASDAQ, it gets listed on the NASDAQ, fingers crossed. We'll have to get it, like, just see how it moves now. Yeah, take care. Have a good weekend. Well, have a good week. Bye.